We're in the garden today. It's the end of our season. We sometimes don't know what to do when there's still fruit on the tomatoes. They got frost projected for tonight. So what you need to do in your garden is you can pick the tomato this size. If it had already started to tint in color, it will continue to ripen in the house on the shade. One like this, hey, you might have fried green tomatoes tonight for supper. Or you're into canning and making chow chow, these are what you want to be using for chow chow. So there is use, so don't let your tomatoes or your vegetables freeze out when you have a frost being protected for the night.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.